Hey now, CarlTheMadman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. It's May 21st. I believe it's Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday, May 21st, 2026. Byla and I are just going on a smaller walk today. We're heading through the foliage here. This foliage tunnel. This foliage tunnel is the Sourdough Trail. And then we'll head down into the bay, maybe up the church. I don't know, smaller walk today. But, you're more than welcome to come along with me. And I hope you do. And if you like this vlog, if you enjoy my walk today, a thumbs up would be sweet. It'd be sweet. It'd be very sweet. Sweet. Byla and I got our eyes peeled for a young bear that's been causing some problems in town. So I think the mountain lions are gone. The cougars are gone now. But now we got a young bear who's being a pain in the butt. So, black bear. Not too worried about him, but he's young, so that means he's maybe not so smart. Anyways, let's get cracking. Get going there, doggo. Go. Ah, Jesus, man. Can you hear that? I don't know what the hell that noise is. Bizarre. This one's coming together now too. Slowly but surely. Stay tuned. All right, loop completed. So I stuck the trail cam down here along the fence line. Gonna go see if we got anything. Kinda doubt it, but maybe, you never know. Skunk, raccoon, squirrel. Stay tuned, or not. It's time to go to bed. Hey, just on my trail walk and talk here. My trail walk and talk on the trail here, walking and talking. Don't have much to talk about today. I got, I've been Crossroads. We all come to crossroads in our lives at some point or another. My friend Flint from Flint and Steel Survival was recently telling me about one of his when he was in Alaska. Anyways, it got me thinking a little bit about it because, we all come across them, or if you're just a youngster, they're coming. Don't worry, you're gonna run into them. And it's usually not an easy decision when you come to these crossroads. I guess that's why it's called a crossroad. And you just have to take whatever information you've gathered at that point, and try to make the best decision for not only yourself, but perhaps your family or your friends or whatever's important to you, really, is all that matters. And it can be tough. Crossroads can be tough. I know I've come to several of them in my life, and I'm sure there's going to be more. Kind of going through a little bit of one right now, trying to decide what my next 10 years should look like. But I'm not going to get into that too much, because at this point I'm still gathering information in my brain. And yeah, anyways, what do you guys do? You know, is there a formula? Or do you have a secret formula for when you reach a crossroad? Or, I don't know, I'd love to hear your thoughts on making decisions when you come to a crossroad in life. Or, heck, just share a story with me about a crossroad that you did come to, like Flint did. And, you know, I'll definitely, you know, read it and reply. So yeah, comment below. Tell me a story about a crossroad in your life that you overcame. And yeah, I think we're gonna shut down this vlog. If you liked today's vlog, kind of a shorty one today, you know, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, you can always hit the subscribe-y thing and ding that little dingy bell. All right, till tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow. I'm out of here. Have a great day. Yeah.